Good day, everyone. Let us discuss about the topic sales tax. It is first quarter in March 7. For our unlocking content vocabulary, sales tax is added onto the marked sales price of an item at the point of sale. It is an amount to be paid in addition to the marked price of goods or the stated price of service. We have the given formula. Sales tax is equal to purchase price multiplied by tax rate, or in symbols, T is equal to P times R. Let us try two problems here. Problem number 1. The sales tax on non-prescription drugs in South Luzon is 4%. Calculate how much tax you need to pay if some non-prescription drugs cost 26 pesos and 80 centavos before tax. Round your answer to the nearest cent. We have the formula. Sales tax is equal to purchase price multiplied by tax rate. Our purchase price is 26 pesos and 80 centavos and our tax rate is 4%. In decimal form, we have 0.04. When you multiply 26.80 times 0.04, the product is 1.07. So this is the sales tax. The total you need to pay is 26.80 centavos plus 1.07 centavos is equal to 27 pesos and 87 centavos. Second problem, Sharon has finished her meal at a restaurant but received bad service. She will only be leaving a 10% tip. Help her calculate the tip if the meal before sales tax came to 36 pesos and 60 centavos. We have the formula for sales tax is equal to purchase price multiplied by tax rate. Sales tax is equal to 36 pesos and 60 centavos multiplied by the 10% tip. We have 0.10 and the product is 3.66. She gave only 3 pesos and 66 centavos as her tip. Third problem. The sales tax on clothing in Indiana is 7%. Calculate how much tax you will need to pay on a dress if it is cost 40 pesos and 60 centavos before tax. Round your answer to the nearest cent. So we have sales tax is equal to purchase price multiplied by tax rate. Sales tax is equal to 40 pesos and 60 centavos multiplied by 0.07 cents. The product is 2.84, 2 pesos and 84 centavos. The 2 pesos and 84 centavos of tax will need to pay on the rest to be added to 40 pesos and 60 centavos before tax. And the total amount is, we have 43.44 pesos. Tobias works at a restaurant that automatically charges 25% service to groups of 8 or more people. He has just served a group of 8 people. Before sales tax, their meal came to 238 pesos and 51 centavos. How much of a tip is Tobias going to get from this bill? Round your answer to the nearest cent. Our formula again, we have sales tax is equal to purchase price multiplied by tax rate. Our sales tax is equal to, so the total amount to be paid their meal came to 238 pesos and 51 centavos multiplied by 0.25 centavos is equal to 59 pesos and 63 centavos. So the 59 pesos and 63 centavos is the tip given by the Tobias. We have here the following problems to be solved. First problem, Jet Li needs to buy a book. He has 150 pesos for a book. Is the money of Jet Li enough to buy the book, which costs 140 pesos plus a sales tax of 6%? A sofa set marked 27,000 pesos. A tax of 5% is added. What is the total cost of the sofa set? Third problem, an LCD flat screen color TV costs 35 pesos plus 4% sales tax. If Henry has 38,000 pesos, can he afford to buy the television? How do you know? Letter A, how much is the sales tax? And letter B, how much is the total cost? And also, you may complete the following table. You have the following item, the brand new car, slightly used car, and second-hand car. The brand new car has a selling price of 2,500,000 pesos. It has rate of sales tax 6%. We are going to compute the sales tax and the total cost of the item. While the slightly used car, it amounted to 1,900,000 pesos is the selling price. Unknown the rate of sales tax, unknown the sales tax, but the total cost of the item is 2,090,000 pesos. Second-hand car, unknown is the selling price. It has a 4% rate of sales tax and 20,000 pesos sales tax. Unknown the total cost of the item. So you may try this to compute. You may use calculator or scratch paper to show the computation or the solution. Thank you for listening. The Essence of Mathematics is It's Pre-Done by George Cantor. Thank you.